Imagine a future where your dreams become reality and obstacles are mere stepping stones. You may feel frustrated right now, disappointed by past mistakes and missed opportunities. But allow me to guide you through a transformative journey of coaching and empowerment, which will lead to your success. As a medical doctor, I was trained to help people achieve holistic wellness. You can fulfill your potential. With practical wisdom and unwavering passion, I'm not just a life coach, but I will be a catalyst for your breakthrough moments. Get ready to unlock your full potential and embark on a journey of self-discovery. Get ready to embrace a life that's fulfilling, fun, and authentically yours. Are you ready to redefine your story? They always say it's impossible and cannot be done until you do it. My name is Dr. Sara O. Let's work together. It's time to live well now.